LRHC was pumped to a gain of almost 100% in the post-market session of Monday, the 28th of July. So this is Tuesday, the 29th pre-market session. In that post-market session, you can see 15.30 intraday high, but it has since given up nearly everything gained in that session. Now up only 11.84%. So the stock is trending as traders zero in on its low float. Yeah, that may be behind that low floats and they what it entails. Aggressive trading because it's a low float and low float but liquidity will be. There's a good chance it will always be thin and you get things like that. Huge spike and then sudden contraction here. So yeah, the stock is trending as traders zero in on its low float and the possibility of a short squeeze, fueling speculative interest and active discussions across trading forums. Some bulls believe LRHC could retest its previous highs if buying pressure intensifies and shorts get squeezed out, pointing to similar setups seen in other low float tickers that delivered sharp sudden rallies. At the same time, sentiment remains mixed despite recent positive updates, which include encouraging developments that some see as potential catalysts. There are growing concerns about the company's underlying financial stability. These worries are heightened by news of an upcoming reverse stock split, which often signals potential dilution or a last ditch effort to meet listing requirements, and also other fundamental issues. As a result, traders are split between optimism over a squeeze-driven breakout and caution about possible downside if the company's fundamentals don't improve or if dilution pressures mount. Many are watching closely for signs of unusual high volume and short interest changes using LRH using LRHC as the latest case study in the unpredictable world of low float plays. So yeah, this is its daily chart. Underlying trend is a bearish one. We have a couple of projections. 9.16. It's a slight upper projection. Yeah, it's an upper projection. 9.16. 18.86, 23.54, 26.43. All of them are currently in play as of yesterday, the close of yesterday, the 28th. So this is the 4 hour chart. Yeah, we have strength is expected to remain in place up till an hour and a half before the market opens today, the 29th. And then after that, we might see what looks like a cycling with a well, if you like, is cycling at least with I would say okay, well, it's slight bias to the downside, yeah. Cycling going all the way towards Tuesday the 5th of August, a distributive cycling if you like, and then maybe from 50 okay, the same Tuesday as well, the uptrend may resume. So it seems this week would just be a consolidation with a bias to the downside. Yeah. Then maybe next week the upside may resume based on this 4 hour chart. So upper projections, we have 9.43, 10.17, 10.62. Previously, not very long ago, a few hours ago, or rather, in the pre-market session of yesterday, same thing as well, same sort of projection. So yeah, we have this 15.30, but we have seen higher projections on the daily chart. We saw $20 or thereabout. Let's refresh that again. Yeah, let's refresh that. We have here, yeah, we have 9.16. So that 15.30 slots in between 9.16 and 18.86. So after 18.86, we have 23.54, 26.43. So coming back to the 4 hour chart, let's see. We have what's the buying pressure indicating? Yeah, okay. Strong trend mode on the 10 period moving average. This is on based on the two price pressure momentum indicators. This is a buyer's market. This is for this market is dominated by buyers. However, we have a negative, strongly negative force derivative indicating that buying pressure is not as strong as it was before. Has there's a decent dent in its strength, but however, still remains very strong. But it was actually stronger than that it is right now. So yeah, that is how things are. Low float. I have not checked what the float is. I've not checked what it is, but it seems it has a low float. And since it has a low float, you should expect to see this sort of volatility expansion, sudden spike to 15, sudden spike to over close to 100%, and then doesn't hold it and then crashes back. So let's see how things go. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.